Have you ever wondered how to make your money work for you? Investing can be a daunting prospect for beginners, but don't fret. Today, we're diving into the basics, exploring a variety of investment options that can help you grow your wealth wisely over time. First up, consider your retirement. If you have access to a 401k or a similar employer-sponsored retirement plan, don't hesitate to take full advantage. These plans offer the incredible advantage of tax-deferred growth, and in many cases, your employer might even match your contributions. That's free money you don't want to leave on the table. Next on the list are index funds. These low-cost investment options track market indexes like the S&P 500. They offer diversification and growth potential without the need for you to constantly monitor and manage your investments. But what if you want to invest but don't have the time or knowledge to do it yourself? Enter robo-advisors. These automated investing platforms manage your portfolio for you based on your specific risk tolerance and financial goals. For those planning for the long term, target date funds might be an interesting option. These funds automatically adjust your asset allocation as you get closer to your target retirement date. It's a set-it-and-forget-it strategy that can be perfect for long-term investors. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are another investment option to consider. Much like mutual funds, they offer diversification, but they trade like stocks on exchanges. For the more conservative investor, a certificate of deposit, or CD, might be worth considering. CDs offer a fixed interest rate for a specific term, making them a low-risk option. While individual stocks can be enticing, they often carry higher risk. Beginners are generally advised to tread lightly and focus more on diversified investments like index funds or ETFs. Finally, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, offer a way to get involved in real estate without the need to own property directly. REITs can provide a stream of passive income through dividends. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in starting early and diversifying your investments across different asset classes. Choose options that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals, and watch your money grow. With time and patience, you can build a robust financial future. Lastly, let's talk about the new kid on the block, cryptocurrency. These are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They've made quite a buzz in the investment world, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the pack. While it's a high-risk investment, the potential rewards are substantial. However, as with all investments, it's essential to do your research and understand what you're investing in before diving in. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investing insights. We're continually updating our content to provide you with the most relevant and up-to-date information. So, hit that notification bell and never miss an update. Stay tuned for more investing tips and tricks. Remember, knowledge is the key to successful investing. Happy investing, folks!